In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to be a streamer on Binance Square and Binance Live. Binance Square, formerly known as Binance Feed, is the social and content hub dedicated to all things crypto and Web3. It serves as a bridge connecting crypto enthusiasts, creators, influencers, and more, making it a vibrant community for sharing insights and updates. Binance Live is integrated within this platform, providing creators with the opportunity to reach their audience through engaging live streaming services that focus on crypto-related content, like educational materials, market analysis, trading strategies, and updates on tokens or projects. To kickstart your journey as a streamer, the first vital step is to ensure you're eligible. There are a few key requirements you need to meet. Importantly, you must have at least 5,000 followers on Binance Square. This follower base demonstrates your ability to connect and engage with your audience. Additionally, you need to present evidence of your past video or streaming work. This is crucial as it attests to your experience and capability in content creation. Think of it as your portfolio showcasing your expertise in video content related to crypto and Web3. You'll also need to have completed the KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer, in a region where Binance Square or Binance Live is accessible. It's essential that your account is in good standing, meaning there must be no prior violations of Binance's community guidelines. Lastly, your content should stay true to the platform's theme. Specifically, it must be related to cryptocurrency or Web3. Binance aims to keep its content relevant, be it educational insights, trading strategies, NFT discussions, or metaverse projects. Content that strays from these topics may not be accepted. Moving on to the application process, here's how you can get started. First, navigate to the Binance app or website and head to the Binance Square or Feed section. Look out for an option labeled Apply Creator or Join Now in the Feed or Creator menu. This is your gateway to becoming a part of Binance Square as a creator. Once you've found the application form, fill it out with all the necessary information. This includes your profile details, social media links, and a history of your video or streaming experience. Be honest and comprehensive in your submission, as this sets the foundation for your application. It's crucial to have your follower count and evidence of previous work ready before you submit your application. Without meeting the follower requirement or showcasing your prior streaming content, your application may not be approved. After submitting your application, patience is key. Binance will review your details, which typically takes around 7 days. If you're approved, you will gain access to Binance Live's streaming features. This is the moment to start setting up your live stream. Once you have the green light, you can create your live streaming setup by defining a catchy title, a precise description, and an engaging thumbnail. If you're streaming from a PC, you may need to set up streaming software such as OBS. Additionally, you might acquire a streaming room or an RTMP link to go live. Don't forget to test everything to ensure smooth streaming. Congratulations on taking the first step to becoming a Binance Live streamer. With consistency, creativity, and a focus on relevant content, you'll be on your way to building an engaged audience in the crypto space.